Alright, bet. I'm locked.
Bro, what the fuck? This nigga just slipped.
Hey, make your niggas blitz, gang. Make all your niggas blitz.
I got you, bro. I'm locked too.
GG's good shit, gang. Good shit, good shit.
That shit so hard to play defense on this bitch, boy.
Oh, nah, we just need to party lit as hell on this, That's all. Make all your niggas blitz. All your niggas blitzing?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
My nigga, I can change my team now and still do the same thing.
No, it's not. Look what I just
Yeah,
did.
you ain't beat me now. Hey.
I don't care. Look what I just did to you in your corner line up, nigga. You a team though.
Nigga, how?
Bro, your corner.
You know who you sound like right now? You sound like that white nigga that was in the party earlier.
Look, twin. So on that two-burger version, your corner ain't got down. Get in my way. See, look, bro. Look. Nuh-uh, boy. I'm gonna catch that. And Aaron Donald.
You not Eli, bro. What? Hell no.
Look at this nigga Aaron Donald lighting up, bro.
Hold on, bro. I ain't done.
Better mosh your ass. Better mosh your ass. You ready?
Eli, stop cheating.
Bro, look, I threw it out of bounds. This nigga gonna kick it, bro. I threw it out of bounds, bro.
I'm gonna give you the ball back, bro.
Hurry up,
nigga.
Bro.
If I don't say I'm ready, don't pick it, nigga.
Bro, hurry up, bro. It takes time for me to snap the ball, bro. Hurry up.
Alright, guard. Hey, guard the thing. Just run straight up, gang. I'm finna throw it up, just run
Just
straight
throw it
up.
to me right here, bro. I want you to do it right here. Just throw it to me, bro.
Alright, now fall down.
Come on, but this nigga not falling, bro.
Eli cheating.
Bro, I'm not cheating, bro. You cheating, bro. What the fuck?
Nigga, how?
Nigga, you cheating, nigga.
How the fuck I'm cheating, Eli?
I gotta take this nigga out, bro. I'm gonna keep it a band, bro. I took that nigga out. Bro, I put a backup in my backup tire game. Okay, you got it, bro. Bro, nah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This nigga ain't cheating, bro. This nigga DK is tired, bro.
I'm not ready, gang. Who?
Where Cleo going?
I don't even know. I got you, though. Alright, I'm ready. Because of what?
Killed his ass and into the 5 in. Killed his ass and into the 5 in. I could have been doing that shit all game though, gang. But this game cheating though. This game cheating though.
Eli, you're a fucking bunch, bro.
Nigga, cut it out, bro. Like you wasn't cheating this whole time, nigga.
I was trying to do some shit.
Oh, nigga,
Nigga, how I'm
did
cheating?
shit to you, though, gang.
Please let me know how the fuck I'm cheating.
Bro, you cheating, bro.
We can change teams, and I would do the same shit you're doing.
Crazy as
But
hell.
ain't no difference, now.
Cheating, boy. What the fuck? Cheating. Oh shit! I knew you was gonna pick that. I want him, the nigga, to throw the high ball.
Stop head sticking me, pussy.
Can't head tap shit because the nigga tight. He ain't gonna catch the ball, bro.
Say less. Say less.
Say what? Bro, oh my god, look at this nigga. Say what? Say what? Say what?
Wait, hold on.
Bro.
Bro, let me suck this nigga out, though. Real talk. You got fucking DK, nigga.
This nigga tired though, bro. He can't do shit. Alright, I'm ready. You don't fucked up. You don't fucked up. Shit, this nigga tired. I would have scored, but you can't run. Nigga slow now. Oh yeah. We locked in now. Look at
Ain't
DK.
shit going.
Look at DK. Oh,
Wait, hold on.
Lord.
I ain't ready now. Hold on.
All right. Alright, I'm vibing, bro. Just tell me when you ready, though, bro.
Alright, bet. I'm ready. Look how cheap this nigga is, bro. So that's a hot nigga.
You just said
so that's a
bro, so you ain't say you just ready, bro. You ain't say you was ready.
bro. You spamming A, nigga.
Bro,
You right. You right. You right. You right. You right.
When you ready, though, gang, did I not, though?
You right.
Come on, now.
Right.
Even your little cousin said it. Oh, yeah, you done fucked up, gang. You done fucked up, gang.
Alright, bro. Come on.
Hey, first nigga 34, I won, gang. I'm out.
Hell no. What? What the fuck? Hell no.
I just cut your ass up something.
Nigga said first nigga to 34 after he scored. Nigga, I said first nigga to 30 when it was 14 to 14.
You said first nigga to 30 and you got the ball first, though, gang. That don't even count, though, bro.
Yeah.
Because you scored, now you got 30. I got a chance to score. Then you cheated.
Please tell me how I'm cheating. Like, come on, bro. You keep saying I'm cheating, but you're not telling me how I'm cheating.
I'm about to show you what you did on this play right here, gang. I'm about to show you what you did. Look, I'm about to show you what you did.
Bruh, I blitzed everybody.
I'm about to show you what you did, gang.
You ready, man?
Hold on, bro. Now I'm about to show you what you did, gang. All right, bro. I'm ready, bro. Hey, how does CPU do that shit, gang? Okay, bro. I'm about to guard you, bro. Nah, the CPU
Man, do
just
that shit again.
The CPU just plucked the fuck out you. Oh, shit. I'm ready, gang. Nah, the CPU just plucked the fuck out you. How the fuck the CPU press you like that, bro? I'm trying to press like that.
Bro, why is this
I
nigga
bet you
ass
throw that bitch
twerking
up,
on
though.
my
You ready, gang?
Throw that bitch up. I bet you throw that bitch up, though. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh,
That's
yeah.
crazy.
Give me that, cousin.
Don't know who I want. You don't know.
Damn, this is EK.
My nigga, don't you got damn Adams or Adams traded?
I got Adams. I just don't use that nigga, bro.
I would use that nigga.
That nigga ain't got the abilities, bro. That nigga got motherfucking some weak ass shit out there. I gotta look at his
Hit
abilities.
sticking abilities.
What the fuck I'm gonna do with a hit stick? I'm throwing that bitch up, gang. I'm gonna let you know that right now.
Wait.
I got you. I'm letting you know that. I'm letting you know right now. So you better not just press me. You better just goddamn play back. I'm just running straight, gang.
Already.
I'm gonna keep it a bit. I'm just running straight. I told you, I'm gonna just run straight. I got double meat, bro. I'm gonna just run straight, gang. I'm gonna run straight on this play too. I'm gonna run straight on this play too, gang. I ran it straight. You better get as far back as possible, bro. But if you pick off double me, bro, I know something, bro. I know something, bro.
Wait, nigga, what the fuck?
I ain't even hide that bitch.
You lying like fuck.
I was on the quarterback, gang. Like that's how you know I ain't mean to hide that bitch. I was on the quarterback. That's how you know I ain't mean to hide that.
Alright, man, YouTube, man, y'all make sure y'all like this video for part 2. You know what I'm saying? Eli Kelchin, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? But no, though, like this video. You know what I'm saying? Follow my Twitch. Link in the description. Follow my IG. You know what I'm saying? All that gonna be like under the vid. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get my webcam. You know what I'm saying? And hey, I got something planned for y'all boys too. You know what I'm saying? Just stay patient. You feel me? I'm trying to be consistent. You know what I'm saying? I got y'all, but now I'm trying to get a webcam, and I'm trying to go crazy. You feel me? Like this vid, subscribe, share, and comment. I love y'all, boy, man.